In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure Google Ads campaigns the right way. We're focusing on a simple but powerful part of your account setup, using assets, also known as ad extensions, to add structured, useful information to your campaigns. This is one of the easiest ways to improve visibility, boost click-through rates, and support a clean campaign structure without changing your core ads. Start by opening your Google Ads account and make sure you're signed in to the right profile. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're in the correct one before making changes. From the left-hand navigation, head to Campaigns. This is your hub for everything at the campaign level, and it's also where you'll attach assets so they consistently show across all ads in that campaign. Next, select Assets. In Google Ads, assets are reusable building blocks like site links, callouts, structured snippets, images, and more. Think of them as structured enhancements that expand your ad with extra lines of value. Using assets at the campaign level keeps your messaging organized, consistent, and aligned to your campaign's objective. Now click the plus icon. This opens the menu where you can add the specific assets you need. Choose site links to drive people to high-value pages such as pricing, features, testimonials, or contact. Use clear labels and link each one to a relevant landing page. Add callouts to showcase short value points, like free shipping, 24/7 support, or a satisfaction guarantee. Keep them concise and avoid repeating what's already in your headlines. Structured snippets let you present organized lists such as services, brands, or product types. Pick the right header and include at least 3 values to make it useful. If phone calls matter to your business, add a call asset so mobile users can tap to call. For brick-and-mortar visibility, use a location asset to surface your address and increase local credibility. If available for your campaign type, image assets can make your ads more eye-catching and can lift engagement significantly. As you add assets, write copy that's specific and benefit-led. Keep an eye on character limits. Avoid duplicating the same message across assets and ensure the links are accurate and fast-loading. Use scheduling if some offers are time-bound and set device preferences when it makes sense, like prioritizing call assets for mobile. Before you publish, preview how your ads can appear with the new assets. Once saved, these assets can be reused across campaigns, keeping your structure tidy and efficient. That's it. Go to your Google Ads account, open Campaigns, select Assets, and use the plus icon to add the extensions that best support your goals.